Okay, I will share to you about how to make a luxurious mansion in SketchUp with a trapezium or trapezoid line. First of all, we have to make the basic shape using rectangle. You can click from the origin until the another position in here. It's around 40 meter and 56 meter, and we can use the line to make the trapezoid shape of this side. Okay, for example, this is like this, and this is about the dimension around 40 meter, and for the depth of this side is around 56. Okay, and I will erase some additional line over there. Okay, then we can make it group. Okay, we can make it group anyway, or maybe we can draw the basic concept of the floor plan of the mansion house. We can use the rectangle in here, and we can draw in here. Okay, then we can draw in here. Okay, so this is about the basic shape or basic floor plan of the mansion house luxurious. Then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, then now we can click this surface and push it up around 5 meter. Okay, and now we can make the another meshing. We can use the line, click from this position to the another position in here. Okay, so we can add the swimming pool in here. So this is about the swimming pool. The height of the swimming pool is around it's around 4.4 meter, and this is just a little pool in here. Okay, now we can draw the freehand to make the landscaping in here. Okay, we can make the landscaping, and on the another corner over there. Okay, now we can draw the line in here from this position. Okay, now we can click this line and this line and select move, tap control, click from this position and place to this position. Okay, we can type 5/ and enter. And also for this area we can select move, place to this position. Okay, and now we can assign the materials with using glass materials in here. Okay, and we can add more glazing element in here. Okay, we can add more glazing element in here. Select move, tap control and place to this position. Okay, and we can make glazing element again in here. Okay, now we can add more materials. We can add more materials. We can assign. We can look for the another materials. I have prepared the materials from my library. Okay, I will assign with this materials. Okay, then we can adjust for the texture. Okay, this is for the texture adjustment, and now we can add more elements. We can add more elements. Okay, sorry, we have to make it group first. Okay, then we can add more elements in here. This is about the canopy. We can make a long canopy in here, and we can make group, and we can assign for the another canopy. Okay, and after that we can assign for the another concrete materials. We can use the another texture, okay, like this. Okay, and we can also add more elements of the wood materials in some place. We can use this one. Okay, and now we can assign the materials for the landscaping. And don't forget to assign the materials for the swimming pool. We can use the water, and we can assign with water materials in here. Okay, and we can also add more materials. We can also add more materials in several places of the surrounding swimming pool. Okay, now we can assign the wood materials or cladding. Okay, just like this. And okay, we can also add more landscaping in here and also in this position to make it more greenery. Okay, and after that we can add more roofing materials. Can scale this one and scale this one a little bit in here and push it to the upper position, and double click, make group, and assign. We can assign the materials. We can move it a little bit in here. Okay, and we can also assign we can add more roofing in here. We can add several extension of roofing and push it up. Okay. Okay, now we can assign the ceiling and just move a little bit in here. Okay, approximately just like this, and I will add the another objects from 3D warehouse that I've been prepared before. Okay, I've been already prepared about this object from the 3D warehouse. This is a palm tree, and we can edit, copy, and place to the another position, and place to this origin position, especially. Okay. Okay, and we can also add more elements from the another side. This is for the another corridors, maybe. And we can add more corridors like this, and we can add more Okay, now we can see about the result of the luxurious mansion that we can make in SketchUp, and it has a swimming pool and another materials. And we can also add more component. We can add the people component in here. Okay, and we can change the style, and we can also add the shadow in here, and we can assign or setting the shadow. Okay, just like this. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial of this SketchUp tutorials. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment this video, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.